How to turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up Facebook from the top on your mobile. And after you do that, you can then head over to your profile, tap on the menu icon on the bottom right, and then tap on your profile. After you're on your profile, tap on the edit profile option. And after you're on your edit profile, scroll down. At the bottom, you'll find edit your about info. Tap on edit your about info. And after you're here, scroll down again till you find this basic info section where you'll find your birth date. So tap on the edit option and set both of these to only me. Doing this, other people will not be able to see your birthday and they will not be able to wish you on it. So this is basically like turning off birthday notifications from the other people. Now what you can do if you don't want birthday notifications for yourself is come back to menu, expand on settings and privacy, head over to settings. After you're here, scroll down and you'll find notifications. Under preferences, tap on notifications, and inside there you should find birth dates. So there we go, tap on that and simply turn it off. So what we're doing here is now you won't get notifications about your friend's birthday. And that's how we turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.